Guys, we're in the bathroom right now. We were just singing songs from Chicago and this girl left because we were too weird for her. And now we're gonna go eat some bagels. Bye! Bye! Like a nice lady. There's Bagel. There's Quentin.
Hi.
There's me. We're all alone in a classroom. What do you guys want to do?
We're on jogs.
Say please see. I'll be right back.
Okay, you're sitting next to me.
Real world starts tonight. Hi guys. So, I didn't go to school today because I was supposed to have like my big doctor appointment. And then my dad calls me and he wakes me up and he's like, oh, you better go to practice because your appointment's not till tomorrow. So I wasted like a whole day of like nothing. And I got ready really quick and now Stephanie is going to come and get me and we're gonna go to practice because she got mouth surgery today. So, you know, oh my gosh, I'm so yellow in this. So she got mouth surgery and I'm just in so much pain. My throat hurts and my nose is all stuffed and like right here is like hurting so bad and my, you know, that problem. It hurts so freaking bad. So I took medicine and I need cough drops and I don't know what to do with my life. I don't know what to do, so I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys at practice. Bye.
How you doing, baby?
Hi guys, I'm at Stephanie's. We're gonna bake some cookies.
Oh, I thought you were serious for a second.
Oh, hello. Yeah, I love peanut butter. It's my favorite thing.
No.
I love the word peanut butter and Nutella. Oh my god, so hipster. It's the same thing. That was beautiful.
Really?
So if that was free, I'll sign up for anything else. Okay.
Mom.
Yeah, it's legit.
What happened?
What's the matter, guys?
Oh, I just burped and it came out of my nose. It was so stupid.
Well, go ring
I thought it was gonna be like her gum split open and she was bleeding, but she burped.
Well, now she just...
I feel like Stephanie would react that way normally.
I know. Mom.
I don't know who you're talking on the phone, please.
Your brother. You want him to call you when you get home, or is that
Go
enough
sleep.
information?
We're about to make no bake cookies.
I think it's kind of weird.
Don't put that in the phone.
Mommy.
I burped.
And it came out my nose.
Can you please not tell people you're on the phone with?
Oh, my stomach hurts so loud. Yes, absolutely love her when she smiles.
Okay, if you get hurt from this position, it's your fault. Let's go.
In here. Where's the light? There's no light. Fuck. Is this it? Oh, okay. Go over here. Yes, I know. We're in their attic right now.
So sketchy.
Ow! A splinter just got my butt. Okay, we're in their attic.
She fucking threw water on us again.
Yeah, she
Third time.
Threw water on us just because she's sick doesn't give it right.
Let's go steal.